Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor relaxation with a focus on the ultimate accessory for your hot tub, the UCEDER waterproof hot tub cover. If you're in the market for the best swim spa cover available, look no further. The UCEDER waterproof hot tub cover is engineered with quality and durability in mind, making it a standout choice for hot tub owners everywhere. Crafted from 600D polyester fabric with a TPU backing layer, this cover boasts exceptional tear resistance and cold resistance, ensuring it can withstand even the harshest outdoor elements. Plus, its oil resistance and water resistance mean you can enjoy your hot tub worry-free, regardless of the weather. But what sets this cover apart is its versatility. Not only does it provide reliable protection in the winter months, but it's also designed to shield your hot tub from dirt, rain, hail, bird droppings, and intense sunlight all year round. And with its UV-resistant properties, you can trust that your hot tub will remain in pristine condition for years to come. Worried about windy days? Fear not. The UCEDER hot tub cover features a secure lock design, combining a wind belt with elastic cords for a snug fit, even in harsh environments. Say goodbye to cover blow-offs and hello to peace of mind. Installation is a breeze, and removal is just as simple, thanks to its user-friendly design. Plus, with its compact size and lightweight construction, storing the cover when not in use is effortless. And here's the cherry on top. UCEDER stands behind their product with a 3-year guarantee. That's right, if you encounter any issues with your hot tub cover within 3 years, simply reach out to them for a hassle-free resolution. And if you're in need of a custom size, they've got you covered. Just shoot them an email, and they'll tailor a cover to your specifications. So, whether you're soaking up the sun or stargazing under the night sky, make sure your hot tub is protected with the UCEDER waterproof hot tub cover. Trust us, it's an investment you won't regret. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy soaking.